Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. Today we are going to talk about simplifying fractions. There are mainly two ways of doing simplifying fractions. We will see one by one. So three important points to remember regarding the simplifying fractions are, suppose if you are given a number say 4 by 8, the first point is you have to find the factors of these numbers. Second point, you will find the GCF of these numbers. GCF is the greatest common factor. I have already uploaded a video regarding the greatest common factor of numbers. I would recommend you to check it out before checking this video so that you will get a better understanding of it. I have provided the link in the below description. Now let us proceed. The second point is you have to find the GCF of numbers, and the third point is you will divide these numbers by that GCF. Now let us see one by one. So the first point is find the factors of the number. Now what are all the factors of 4? Factors of 4 are 1, 4. So 1 times 4, it's 4. Then 2. 2 times 2, 4. So 2. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Now what are all the factors of 8? 1 times 8. Then 2 times 4. So these are all the factors of 8. So now the first point is over. We have found the factors of these two numbers. The second point is we had to find the GCF of these numbers. Now let us see what is the GCF. This is a common number, this is a common number, this is a common number. So the GCF is going to be the greatest number in this, which is common, that is 4. 8 is not common, there is no 8 in this 4. So the common greatest factor will be 4. So GCF of these numbers is going to be 4. Now what is the third point? You have to divide this number by GCF. So 4 divided by, what is the GCF? 4 by this 8 divided by 4. What is 4 divided by 4? 1. What is 8 divided by 4? 2. So what is the simplified fraction of the number 4 by 8? It's going to be 1 by 2. So this is the simplest form you can express this number 4 by 8. So this is the first example. We will see more examples. Now let us consider the second number. Something like, 16 by 24. Let us see one by one rule. First list the factors of 16 and 24. Factors of 16, 1, 16. 2, it's going to be 8, 4, it's going to be same 4 times 4. So you have to write just 1, 4. So the factors are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now what are all the factors of 24? Factors of 24, 1, 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. 6 4s are 24. There are no other factors. So now you found the factors of 16 and 24. What is the second point? Find the GCF. This is 1 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common, 8 is common. That's it. So what is the greatest number which is common in both? It's going to be 8. So GCF of this number is going to be what? 8. That is the second point. Third point, divide this number by the GCF, which means divide 16 by 8. And then what is there in the question? 24 divided by 8. What is 16 divided by 8? It is 2. What is 24 divided by 8? It's going to be 3. So what is the simplified form of 16 by 24? It is 2 by 3. That is the simplifying of fractions. 15 by 30. Now what is the first step? Find the factors. So first find the factors of 15. It's going to be this, right? 1 times 15, 3 times 5 is 15. Next, factors of 30. 1, 30. 2 times 15. 3 times 10. It won't go in 4, it will go in 5. 5 times 6. So these are all the factors of 30. Now let us see the GCF. What are all the common numbers? 1 is common, 3 is common, 5 is common, 15 is common. So what is the greatest common factor? It is the biggest number which is common in both, which is 15. That is the second step. Now third point, you have to divide this number by that GCF. So 15 divided by 15 by 30 divided by 15. So what is 15 divided by 15? 1. 30 divided by 15? 2. So what is the simplified form of the 15 by 30? 1 by 2. So this is one way you can do the simplification of fraction. There is one more way. I will show you some examples with that also. 36 by 20. Consider this. The second way is we have to find the common multiples in both these numbers. We have to find the common multiples in both these numbers. You know, in the case of 36 and 20, 4 will go in both, right? 36 can be written as 4 times 9. Possible, right? And 20 can be written as 4 times 5. Correct? So, now you have 4 here, you have 4 here also. Just cut that 4. So, what is remaining? 9 by 5. Do you have anything common multiple for 9 and 5? No. So, this is the simplified form. Okay. Now, consider 130 by 120. You know, 130 and 120 both are multiples of 10. So, you can write this as 13 times 10 by 12 times 10. As I told you, when you have same numbers in both numerator and denominator, you can cut it out. So, you will be left with 13 by 12. You know, both 13 and 12 are prime numbers and there is no common multiple which is common to both 13 and 12. So, the simplified form will be 13 by 12. I will show you one more example. Say 120 by 150. For example, you know both these are multiples of 10. So, I am writing 12 times 10 by 15 times 10. So, I am cutting out these 10. What is remaining? 12 by 15 is remaining. But you cannot leave it as such. The reason is because, you know, for 12 and 15, both is a multiple of 3, right? You can write this as 3 times 4 and you can write this as 3 times 5. So, both will go in 3. So, you have to break it down. If you don't have, like here you can see it is 9 by 5. You don't have any common multiple for it. That is why we are not breaking this out. Similarly, 13 by 12, there is no common multiple for that. So, we cannot break it. But in this case, you have a common multiple 3. So, you have to definitely break it. Now, what is common? 3 is common. Just cut it out. So, what we are left with? 4 by 5. Do you have any multiple that is common to 4 and 5? No. Only 1 is common and there is no meaning in writing that. So, this is how you will simplify the fractions. So, as I told you, there are 2 ways you can do. One is using those 3 points as I told you, and this is the second way, which is a common multiple strategy. Hope you have understood about simplifying fractions in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. Thanks for watching.